This is Zboy Montebon.
Hello guys, this is Zboy Montebon now for another video, and today's video I'm with
Your
and IDC Jerish is cooking now the fish crackers, and we will be having the fish cracker mukbang while we're watching Pacific Rim in our TV.
Hindi ko makita sa video. Kung gumayra? Okay, ang man-ausap ko sa
Oh, buddy. Kunya na yuri. This is the fish cracker mukbang. So okay, let's start na while we're watching Pacific Rim in our TV.
Kubate, more fish dano? Fish dagin.
Wala.
Ito lang ya.
Pacific Rim.
Oo. Fokus ka?
Ya. Ini buto.
Gusto yun. Sumado na siya ang real pa ng
Kami din start.
wow, mabuk na mabuk.
Ya pa, this nung tali ko gawin ng guys.
Apa may labi ito? Ito.
Wala na yung ko ha.
I know what.
Ako yung baro.
Fine. Copy that. That's done. You got the help again, yeah?
Girls okay? Yes, ma'am. What the fuck? You're not okay. You are okay?
Me when you ikuan ba ka lang sa mat ba? Na class di? You guys okay? Yes, ma'am.
That's it? Yeah. Okay, we need more Jaegers up and running, or this is going to be a short
Last
flight.
fish na rin sa
And all of our other pilots either dead or severely injured.
guys.
One disaster at a time.
Ay, sorry, tunga. Yan tayo eh. Oh.
This morning, come over here.
Suga.
I need you to help Jules with the repairs. Can you do that? Good with it?
That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.
Right, we've got a long way.
I-enjoy ba kanila lang ang video no? That's it guys, this is Zboy Montebon signing off for this video. If you like this video, click thumbs up, tweet me at Zboy Montebon, and become a part of the Vitamin Z fan. Click the link in the description below, and that's it. Bye bye!